Hi folks, this is Raheem Nahim at MarineMax Miami. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the new Scout. It's a 2018 32 LXF. If you notice the beautiful line this boat has with a Carolina flare, makes this boat special. Let's come around this way. Powered by twin 300s, color match to the Scout white color. Boat will do 63 miles an hour. Very fast boat. Let's come inside. This boat's standard option rear seat here. Standard leaning post with an entertainment area. Nice cabinets, fresh water, binocular holder. Let's go towards the helm. This particular 32, of course, has a C-zone system. Upgraded with a dual Garmin 12-inch screens, Optimus steering, which makes the steering it's just pure finesse. Let's go towards the bow. Notice the extra space this boat has, one of a kind. Not a lot of boats have this much real estate towards the bow. And nice storage here. Nice insulated cooler. If you come around this way, I'll show you the spacious cabin. Good headroom, nice size head. Good fishing rod storage. Scout is known for its spacious center consoles. Well, folks, thank you, and keep on looking at our YouTube videos, and please contact us at MarineMax, or you can contact me directly at 786-327-9175. Thank you. Have a good day.